Hello guys, it's your guy Abdrazak Otokiti. I welcome you to this short tutorial on Microsoft Excel 2016 for data analysis. Today we'll be looking at mean, median, and mode. The mean simply means the average of a data set, while the median is the middle number in a data set, while the mode is the frequently occurring number in a data set. So now for us to find the mean of this data in this data set, this is when we are looking at the quantity column. To find the mean in it, we use the average function in Excel to find the mean. Then you simply highlight the data set, then and close the bracket and hit enter. Immediately you hit enter, you see that the mean has been calculated to be 513, which is the average value of the quantity. While to calculate the median, we use the median function in Excel. Then select the cells, then close the bracket and hit enter, so that the median value is 490. That is, the middle value is 490. Now to calculate the mode, that is the frequently occurring quantity here, simply highlight it and close your bracket and hit enter. You see that the mode of ordered quantity is 240. So now for us to calculate the mean, median, mode for other value, now we don't need to write formula for this. The reason being that the order value is directly beside the quantity. So now we can decide to copy the formula here. What you just need to do is just to highlight the cell and shift the cell right. It will copy the formula to the right for you. So now the order value is not in currency, which is supposed to be in currency. So we'll now try to format it. You press Ctrl+1, then you click Naira, then okay. So now it's now in currency. So now for us to calculate the frequently occurring unit price in these data sets, we use mode. They said we should find the mode of unit price, open bracket, then you go to the unit price column, where this is the unit price column, and you highlight it and close the bracket. You close the bracket and hit enter. So now the unit price, the frequently ordered unit price is 150. So, and this tells you that if you look at the data set, the unit price of an iPhone 8 is 150. This tells you that iPhone 8 is the most frequently ordered iPhone cases in this data set. Now to find the cost, the customer that ordered iPhone cases frequently in this data set, we use the mode. So now to do that, we now go to, after writing your mode, you go to customer ID column, then highlight it, highlight the cell, then close it and hit enter. You see that the customer ID 98 is the one that ordered iPhone cases frequently in these data sets. So now to find the order ID, the mode of order ID, you simply come to order ID column, highlight it and close the bracket. Then you notice that immediately we hit enter here, we will have NA. This is telling us that the ID column is a unique column, and the mode function can only be used to calculate a repeated data. And meanwhile, order ID is a unique column. It has a unique data in it. There is no repeated information on the order ID column. So now that is why we are having error in the order ID. Now for us to calculate the mode of case type, now you simply come, highlight it and close the bracket and hit enter. We're also going to have error. The reason being that mode cannot be used to calculate a text data. A text format data mode cannot be used to calculate it. So in this data set, you can clearly see that the iPhone cases that is frequently ordered in this data set is iPhone 8, and whereas the customer that patronize us more in this data set is customer ID 98. And we also find out that the mean order value is 112,120.69 naira, while the median value is 105, while the mode is 120,000 naira. So now this is how you use mean, median, mode in Excel. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.